Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This is day 54 of my coding journey. In this video, I'm going to try to create a responsive navbar using Tailwind. So I started learning Tailwind a few days ago, and it's amazing, man. It's really good. And yeah, so don't want to waste too much time. Let's get started. I came prepared today, guys. My mama will be proud of me. Normally, I get on here, it takes me like 20 seconds to set up, look for colors, look for this, look for that. But I came prepared. I got the Tailwind file already open. I installed Tailwind already. I have picked out my color palette, it was pretty easy. I just went to trending color palettes and chose the second one, so that wasn't nothing. That would have took 2 seconds. And yeah, I decided to go with this one because I never really work with these colors, so I just wanted to challenge myself a little bit. And plus, it looks like cotton candy. It looks delicious. it just looks good. I got Tailwind open, get on here and just, if I need, text color, even though I kind of know how to do that now, I could know the code to change the text color. So I got that open just in case I need it. Definitely going to be using it. And I got the live server open. And also, oh yeah, I also installed Google Font already. I'm using Ubuntu, so I came prepared today. Oof, I am proud of myself. Alright, so yeah, I got everything open and I could just start coding. So yeah, so this is going to be a responsive navbar. I'm not sure if I'm going to make this into an entire project because I have so much projects going on, and I just, I have to finish one before I start another one. But I mean, at least I have the file, and if I want to add on to it, I have it. So let's actually write some semantic HTML and actually make it nice and neatly and stuff. So we got our header, and in here we're gonna do a nav. Now for the start, I'm just going to create everything first, and then we'll just style it with Tailwind after. So oh yeah, so for the name I chose Imagine. I don't know, these colors just look like Imagine for some reason. I don't fucking know. Or Dream. Maybe I could with Dream. I don't know. It just looks delicious, don't it? Looks like cotton candy. Now I got a taste of some cotton candy now. Alright, so nav, and okay, so let's do a div first. And then here is going to be our H1 with Imagine. So all of this is like second nature now. I done made so many nav bars. The part that's going to hold me up a little bit is, using a Tailwind. But I can, do this any day. So we got our logo. And just so I can know Tailwind is working, let's do a class of text 4XL. And that should make it bigger. Okay, there we go. So Tailwind is working. We can just leave it like that for now. Okay, so in our nav, we got that. And now we need another div. And this is going to hold our UL. And then our LI. Let's do an LI of... Yeah, we could just do that for now. And then we can just do home. So just simple stuff. So home, I don't know how many links. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 links, I guess. Alright, so we could do home, about, services, contact. I always get stuck on the 5th one. I don't know. Home, about, services, contact, and fuck it, you're getting deleted. I don't know. Alright, so it's our home, services, about, and contact. So we got those. Perfect. And so that's our div. So outside of this, I want another div. And this one is going to hold. So I want this to have, I want to try to do dark mode, but not on the navbar yet. I'm just going to implement the logo on it. So it has dark mode. So Tailwind has like a built-in dark mode feature, and I kind of want to try it out. in the future as I add on to this project, because I really don't know how to do it now. But I heard it's pretty easy. All you have to do is basically, so you see it says dark. So you just change everything. I have no idea how to do it. All right, so I found a new icon site. I don't know why nobody ever, well, I heard about it, but I never used it. So I normally use Font Awesome, but like, I don't know, their fonts don't look as good as these. I actually like these. So I'll be using Ion Icons, and it's so easy to put on your site. So all you gotta do is that, and just copy it there, and now we can use it. So for the icon that I want to use a moon, just for like dark mode and light mode, because like I said, I want to add on to this project most likely, but you know, it's not going to be like I have to do it every day. It's just going to be something where I just get on and, you know, practice some Tailwind. So we got our moon, and we also need our menu. Alright, so we got our menu and our moon. So let's see if it pops up. Okay, so we got that. And now I think we're good. I think we have everything. We're done. So now we got to style it, of course. So let's start. Let's just work our way down. I mean, I think that's like the best thing to do. So let's start with the header, which I don't think I even need to do anything to the header. So the nav, let's make it a flex, of course. So class flex, justify between. I should space them out. So easy, man. I love Tailwind. Justify between. We could give it a padding. We could do like P3 if you want. I'll just do P3 for now. And item center for what's the name? Item center. That brings it down. That pattern is a little bit too much. Do like P1. 1 at 2. Alright. It looks like that because of that. So actually, we're not going to work our way down. We're going to be all over the place. Alright, class, flex, justify. I don't think we need that on there. Let's do an item center. Alright, perfect. And let's give it a gap of, I don't know, 6. Alright. So let's go ahead and get rid of our things on the side. So just wait. So let's do a class of, so we want them hidden. And we reach out there. So let's do empty hidden, I believe. There we go. So now whenever we hit it, it pops up. Perfect. So it took me a while to get how to do it with the Navbar, because like to make it responsive, because with it's just you guys will see it's just a little different from doing it with just CSS and JavaScript. Even though I do have to use JavaScript, I do have to use some JavaScript to make it responsive still, but I found an easier way, which is cool. All right, so we could give it maybe like a pattern of 2. All right. All right, so let's work on the logo. So I don't want it that big, maybe like 3XL. And then let's give it a color, I guess like text color or some shit. Or I think we just do text and then the color. So let's do this pink here, maybe this pink. Let's do that, and put our pound, put our color, and let's see if that works. Okay, perfect. And then I guess we could do like a font weight. How do you do font weight again? This is why I got these docs open. This is why I got these docs open. Font weight. Font weight. So you just do font, and then we can either put our own. So I'll just do font bold. But you can also put your own if you want. Oh man, hold on. Let's do font dash bold. All right, perfect. Imagine. All right. So that's that, and now let's keep working our way down. So I think the logo looks good. Maybe make it uppercase. I was about to do some lazy shit and look up a class to make it uppercase when I could just do this. Oh man, that was hilarious. All right, yeah, that looks good like that. Imagine. You imagine. All right, so we got our div. All right, so for this is the confusing part. So for our div, we got our gap. Okay, now let's just. I'm about to just work from here now. All right, so I want to do MD. I want to do flex column. I don't know if that's the right thing. Hold on, make sure that's right. Flex direction. Flex direction. Oh, so it's flex col. I knew it was a little too big. Flex col. Alright, so yeah, I'm working my way. I'm working like this. But whenever you hit MD, I want it to be a flex row. So like that. So let's see if that works. So whenever we hit that, I want it there. Whenever we hit here, I want it there. So perfect. Alright, and then let's give, let's give the whole entire div a BG of, let's grab our, maybe like this color. Yeah, BG, and then pound that. Alright. So like that. Okay, so yeah, I don't want it to be a background on mobile though. So I mean on desktop. So this is the part that was confusing me when I first like made this. Cause I'm not gonna lie, I made this already, but I didn't make it like today. This is all going off of memory. So like that. And so this is the part that really confused me. So I had to do it there, but then I also have to make the MD BG to be white. Like that. So this is going to make it white when you go there, and like that. And then I want the width to be full. That's going to be there. But then I also want the medium width to be auto. So it won't mess up, because let me not save it yet. I already saved. But yeah, so if I didn't have the auto class on medium, it would have messed up. So yeah, I want it like that. And now this, I want it to be position absolute. I'm just gonna throw it out of whack. But when it's medium, I want it to be static. Static. Let's see if that works. So whenever it's like that, it goes there. Whenever it goes like that, perfect. All right, so now I want the top to be, so now I can just position it any way I want without having to do without having to do like medium, top, medium, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't have to make this responsive, because whenever it's medium, whenever it goes to small viewports and medium viewports, it turns into a position absolute. So if I do like a top of, let's say 10%. It doesn't affect here because it's static. So, but it affects this. See? So that's good. I probably should put like a color on. Actually, let's just do like 7%. Bring it up like that. And you see like the little crease right there, that little white part. I want to get rid of that. So I'm going to do a right of 0. I think that's going to get rid of it. All right, perfect. And I also want the height to go down. So I'm going to do min height of maybe 60 VH. And that's gonna mess up there. See how it messed up there? So now I have to do MD. Maybe like a min dash height of maybe auto. Let's see if that works. Nope, that don't work. Maybe 0. Huh. It looked like it worked, but don't it looks... Is my eyes playing tricks on me? Or does this look like it's not lined up with the logo? Okay, maybe my eyes playing a trick on me. But just to be sure, let's give the BG, let's give this a background color of anything. So it's just going to do BG, but this is going to be deleted. Emerald 700. That green don't look that bad. So now we can position this a little bit better. Let's do 6%. Alright, looks good. Let's do like 6.5. I want it to be like perfect. Let's do 6.6. Okay, 6.5 will be good. It's gonna be right there. Alright. That green doesn't look bad. I'm about to see how this dark blue will look on here. So BG. Let's see how that looks. If it was just a little bit darker. Let's see how this purple looks. Might as well experiment a little bit. If it was just a little bit darker, bro, that wouldn't look bad. Hold on. Maybe make the text. Maybe switch it around a little bit. Let's see. Let's play around with this. Let's make the background this color. And then make the text this color. Oh, damn. Hold on. I fucked up. Not that. It's this color. Maybe give it a shadow? Maybe we on to something. Hold on. Like I said, I never work with these colors. But we gotta make this BG white. Can I do BG transparent? Will that work? Ooh, it does. Alright, so BG transparent. I'm gonna keep that on anyway. Let's add like a shadow. Maybe that'll look nice. I gotta go here soon, so I have to hurry up. What about text shadow? Text shadow. Wait, what? Text shadow. Okay, I think it's just called drop shadow. Let's do a drop shadow. And just default something. I don't know. I don't know what this is. What you gonna see though? We gonna see. I don't like that. So let's just get rid of all of this. So let's get rid of all of that. It does look good on the white though. I think I might keep the drop shadow, but just go back to my pink. Yeah, it looks good on the white. So yeah, definitely go back and maybe no. All right, so let's add some colors to this class, and now let's do a text 1XO. See how big that's gonna make it. Do they even got a one? 1XO. Okay. Actually, let's go like that. But we just need maybe a what color should I make these? Probably let's try this. Let's do text and then this color. Just for now. Yeah, just for now, I guess. Why does this look? Yeah, let's just do that for now. Alright, make them all like that. Even though it's not, it's definitely not staying like that. Alright, so let's finish working on this and then we'll it made it like that now. So let's do an MD and then it's gonna be text white. That didn't work. Oh, I gotta do text white dash 700 some shit like that, right? No. Yeah, it didn't work. MD. Oh, I think it's the other way around. See, watch. Now I think it's white. Oh. Huh. Let's try this. Text emerald 700. Okay. Yeah, it's the other way around. I'm doing it wrong. So let's do it MD in front of all of these. Even though it won't be this color, but it'll be easier to change. But MD and then MD. So should yet go back to default. Perfect. And alright, so we need to fix this up a little bit. Let's do, so we got a flex item center, flex row. Let's do a content, a justify. Gotta watch the time. I gotta go pick up my son. Justify center. Maybe. Justify for flex. Hold on, wait. Let's make this into a flex box. Flex. Justify center. That should move it to the center. Perfect. And let's do a line item center just for the hell of it. Even though it didn't do anything. It doesn't hurt. Let's make sure it didn't mess with our. Okay, didn't mess with that. And let's space them out a little bit. So we got our gap 6 on there. Let me see what happens if I do between here. Nothing happens. Huh. Okay, now let's see what happens if I take that off. Okay, so I don't need that. All right, so there's a way to grab all of your, something that I learned to grab all of your children and add space into them. So right now, we're given a gap 6 on as like default, which I'm gonna keep. So I think I probably should change that to MD gap 6. And that should go like that. So on mobile, I just want it to be, I'm gonna do space dash. It's basically the same thing as gap. So the space, I guess that grabs all the children, and then we're gonna do a Y, and then let's do like a 10. Let's see if that works. So yeah, it grabs all of the children in there. But I want it to be more spacing, so I'm gonna do. Can I do like MB? Give it all margin? No, I guess I can't. I guess it's just that. Can I do like 20? I did 200. Sheesh. Alright, there we go. That looks good. Like that. Perfect. Alright, so I think this looks good. Let's change the background color to maybe this. Alright, that looks good. And let's change the color now to the white. See if it works. Okay, so yeah, text white works now. So let's add that to everyone. Text white. The only thing I don't like about Tailwind is that it gets confusing, and I could just imagine how this HTML is gonna look if I do an entire project. It's gonna be just a bunch of it's just confusing to find stuff. So that's the perks of CSS. If you gotta go back and change something, you know, it's just perfectly lined up with the classes names. So if I wanted to go and make, I don't know, the min height of this to 100, I have to go look through a whole paragraph and say, oh, okay, so it's at 60. Let's change this to 100. You get what I'm saying? So I actually might change it to like 70 since we're there. But yeah, it's just like, I don't know, and we gotta add hover states to these. But yeah, just a little bit too much. But I mean, for like quick sites and projects, at least I know how to do it now, and I know about it. So let's make these icon a little bit bigger. I want them the same size. So let's do a class, and then we could just go ahead and make the shit responsive. Class, and let's do a text of 2XL. See if that works. Okay, I don't want it that. Yeah, 2XL. So I still don't know how to do I still don't know how to do some stuff. So I'm right now. I'm just using 2XL and stuff like that. But I just brought the whole. Okay, there we go. And let's actually make this. Can I make it like 1XL? Make it, no, 2XL. Let's just keep it like that, I guess. And let's give it a margin left 5. Margin right 5. Alright, perfect. Alright, so now let's make this responsive. So first things first, just like the other response, we gotta hide this. So there's 2 ways you could do it, but I'm gonna do it the easier way. I'm just going to give this a left of negative 100%. So I got rid of it. But you know, whenever we go here, hold up, what did I do? Hey, I think I made this 70%. What the hell did I do? Oh, I know what I did. Yeah, I know what I did. That's hilarious. So I want to be that, and then I'm gonna add an MD space, space, and then a white, and then 0. That should fix it. That should fix it. There we go. Yes, because I added that MD space. All right, so let's go ahead and add our JavaScript and make this responsive. So we got our menu. You can get rid of this, it still work. Oh yeah, just do menu, and we can also get rid of this. Those are just outlines. Make it more thicker. Actually, I'm keeping that outline. What was I thinking? Outline. All right. Is it me or the? Maybe we should make this into a flex and make it a center, because it don't look centered to me. Do it, and then a line item center. All right, there we go. And we could do justify center. Oh. Alright, we can just keep it like that for now. Alright, so whenever we click it. Alright, so now let's add our JavaScript and make this responsive. So JavaScript, we gotta add it to the body, even though you don't have to, you can just add it at the top. I don't know who came up with this rule. But why is my thing not working? Guess I'll just do it by hand. src app.js. All right. So now here we want to, so we have to grab the nav menu. So that's gonna be the whole entire div. So we could just do const nav menu equals document dot query selector, and we're going to grab the dot nav menu. But if you guys recall, we didn't even add this yet, so let's add it. So nav dash menu, so that's that, and save it. And so we got that, and now we got to grab our icon. So const icon, let's do like mobile icon. Actually, I'm just gonna keep it icon. Won't even need to do all that. And then document dot query selector, and I'm gonna grab the icon, which I don't even know which one it is. Menu. Dot menu. Gotta watch the time. I'm about to go. Okay, dot menu. Alright, so I want to look out for a click event for the icon. So I'm gonna do icon dot add event listener, and then I'm looking for a click. And one thing that always confused me is that the event listener takes 2 parameters, so you have to put a comma. I mean, I don't know if you have to. Like I said, I'm not an expert, but I always forget it, and I wonder why, you know, my code is messed up and broken all the time. But yeah, that comma is it's really important. All right, so in here, so looking for a click. So in here, I want the nav menu to nav menu classless, and then toggle. I was going to toggle this class list on click, and I want it to be left dash 0. I don't need that. I think that should work. I need to be in parentheses. Left dash 0. So now when we click it, I thought we would be able to see it, but we don't. Why is that? Let's see what's up with it. So we got, did I add my JavaScript right? App.js. Icon. refresh it and make sure. Negative. So we got our left, so it's gonna toggle. Part of me don't think did I have my JavaScript right? So we got our nav menu, and it's grabbing the dot nav menu. Let's make sure we did that right. Nav menu, okay. And nav menu classless dot toggle left 0. Okay. Do I have to put like a dot here? That is so weird. Part of me think that I'm messing up somewhere here. Emma script src app.js. That should be right. Okay, so yeah, it's something that we're doing wrong. So we got our icon and this menu, okay. Negative 100. Yeah, this should work. I'm not sure why it's not working. So const nav menu with document query selector, and we're grabbing the nav dash menu. Oh, oh man, that's hilarious. I know what's wrong. We have to give this a class because this is the name. This isn't that isn't the thing. So let's give it a class of mobile icon, and that's what we're going to grab it with. And mobile dash icon. Now it should work. Nope, doesn't work. Mobile icon. Mobile icon. Wonder why that's not working. Left. Oh, dot left 0. Now it's short. Let's go. Sheesh. Alright. There we go. Alright. And now we need a transition, or let's do up here, let's do a duration. I think it's like 500. That's how you do it. And it should be like a nice transition. There we go. Alright, last thing before I go, I'm just going to turn this into an X. And then we'll be done with this little project. So let's go ahead and do that because I have to go. And let me make sure you guys can see this, because that would be crazy if you guys couldn't see. Alright. So now let's go down to the app.js, and on the click, same thing. But this is a little different. So I tried 2 different ways. First, I tried to actually, let me try another way. I just thought about another way. So let's try icon dot can I do like icon dot name toggle? That would be dope, but you can't. So it goes by name. So I have to the way I figured it out is to do a ternary operator to change the name on click and have it toggle from menu to enclose. So at first I tried to do like the classless thing, but it just didn't work. If it was like a font awesome, that would definitely work, because I think they go by like classes. So like a font awesome would be like FA menu, and then you can do, you know, FA menu dot classless toggle, and then it would be like FA close or something. But you got to do it with this. You got to do a ternary operator. So it's gonna be icon dot name equals icon dot name, and we're gonna equal that to menu, and then question mark, and then it's gonna say close, and if it's that, menu. Let's see if that works. I should go to X. There we go. So it goes right into an X and then closes, and click it. And we can also add a duration to that as well. So let's see. I don't think I want to add a duration though, but let's see how it looks. They're like 300. I don't think that's working with it. Wait, let me add a bigger. Let's just do 900. Would that work? No, so duration's not working with it. So yeah, I don't know how to animate that yet. Maybe next video when I add on to this site. But for now, that is a oh, see that? Oh, it's because we added a duration. That duration, bro, it's making it slow so it won't jump up. Like, see that? See, without the duration, you won't see that. Let's comment that out. Oh shit, what am I doing? Trying to comment out the damn thing. Let's, exit it out and see. See, without that, you don't see it. But with that duration, you see it. So we have to figure that out. Because kind of neat. Huh. Maybe if I have it come in from another way. Let's see. I have to go duration 300. You see it coming in like that. Maybe if I have it come in from another way. Let's do bottom. Let's do right. And then let's go to our app.js and then change this to right. I just fucked the whole thing up. Yeah, you still see it. So, I mean, small bug. I'm pretty sure if I work on it, I can figure it out. Because, like, whenever you go to, yeah, that doesn't look right. That's all like it's supposed to be like that. But, yeah, that's it for now. That's how you make a responsive header. Responsive navbar with Tailwind. Thank you guys for tuning in, and yeah, peace out.